Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I make these delicious skillet potatoes. Um, and these are the ingredients right here. The sausage I'm using, obviously you could use the potato you prefer or the sausage you prefer, but this is what I have today. So let's get into it. Now, the reason why I'm making this dish is because I wanted to meal prep for Babe. It's been a minute since I actually cooked him meals that, he can eat throughout the day. You guys already know, even right now, my voice is shaking because, like I said, I'm going through it, but it's all good. We good. We pushing through. We pushing through. And so I wanted, he's been, ordering out to eat, Uber Eats definitely made a lot of money off of him in the last few months. So, I wanted to, I woke up today, I had a lot of energy and I wanted to just get some of this cooking done while I can. So I'm chopping up my peppers, my onions, my sausage, and my potato, and I'm pretty much just gonna meal prep for him at least lunch. He could order out for dinner or something, but at least lunch. And so that's what I'm doing today. Now, these are just some white potatoes. God only even knows how long these ingredients been in my house. I think except the peppers I bought a few days ago, but the potatoes and the sausage been in the fridge and freezer for like a month or so. And so here we are. So anyway, this is everything nice and chopped up. This is a spice that I'm using, the main spice. I'm also probably going to put some chili powder to give it more color, but I'm just going to do that and call it. You can do whatever you want with your eggs, but I'm just going to boil them. I feel like when you boil eggs, they hold up better in the refrigerator. And so I'm going to boil them. But if you want to scramble them, fry them, whatever, you're good to go. And so everything's ready, nice and prepped. See, I'm nice and organized, and everything's just going to run nice and smoothly. And so now we're going to get to cooking. So to my skillet, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of butter, get it nice and melted. Add your potatoes, leave it alone, and let it cook for about 5 to 8 minutes until they become translucent. Not cooked, they're still going to be raw, but translucent. Now right here are my eggs. When they come this point, I turn it off and then I cover it and let it sit for 12 minutes. All right, so my potatoes are translucent and I'm going to add the sausage down in here and cook it again for another 5 to 8 minutes. I do it in batches, but you guys, a lot of people, they put everything in there at once. I just prefer, because I like the color and sear on the sausage and the potatoes before I add the onions and peppers, because that's a lot of moisture, and the moisture from the onion and the peppers is what's going to give the dish that caramelized, smothered, delicious magic that happens at the end. So I added halfway through the cooking time because I want to get crust on my sausage and peppers. So I added sausage and peppers. I did also add some chili powder, and you just season it to taste. Cover it. Allow it to cook for 10 minutes. This is 10 minutes in. And now I'm just going to mix it up. As you can see, it's nice and crusty. And then I'm going to cover it again. And when we come back, it's going to be nice and done and good. And look at this. I'm telling you, you got to cover it and leave it alone. Low heat, cover it, leave it alone. Go about your business. I started peeling some eggs to kill time. And that's what I did. And now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to serve it up. Obviously, you can add cheese to this if you prefer, but I chose to leave the cheese out, I just feel like it wasn't necessary. So if you want to add cheese, you can add cheese. You can add it to your compartment dishes, or you could add it to the skillet while it's cooking, and you're good to go. No big deal. But just make sure you watch your salt and your seasoning, especially if you're going to add some cheese down in here. So I have 3 dishes, 3 plates. And he's good to go for lunch for work this week. And I added the eggs. And I wanted to show you guys how perfect the eggs are. This is how they come out. It comes out perfect every single time when I make it this way. And I wanted to show y'all that. But yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you for your support. And I'll catch you on my next video. Bye.